Welcome to the Understanding Faith resource, a trusted platform designed to support confident and engaging teaching and learning in religious education. I'm Kim's avatar, and I'm going to take you through this short introduction to Understanding Faith to help you to understand how the resource is structured and the many tools to help you navigate through our comprehensive resource. To begin, log in using your school username and password. If you haven't yet received your login details, please contact us and we'll be happy to assist. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the homepage dashboard. This is your central hub and starting point for accessing all areas of the resource. From here, you can move easily between stages, units, and tools designed to support your teaching. The side menu allows you to filter content by stage and provides quick access to key areas including the All Units modal, search tools, acknowledgements and license information, free resources, and the logout option. The main navigation displays units grouped by stage, with each stage colour-coded for clarity. Selecting a stage reveals all available units within that stage, allowing you to quickly choose the unit you need and begin exploring the content. Each unit opens to a landing page. This is the unit contents that outlines the overall structure of the unit. In primary, this page includes a teacher overview, the parts with the corresponding title, and a dedicated section titled Unpacking the Scriptures, which provides an exegetical analysis of each scripture passage in that unit, designed especially to support teacher understanding. In secondary, this looks slightly different, with a summary or overview and a glossary. Units are divided into clearly organised parts and pages to support easy navigation. Within each part, you'll find key vocabulary, written content, images, and a wide range of multimedia activities. These include interactive e-learning activities, slideshows, printable worksheets, videos, podcasts, newspaper articles, and links to trusted YouTube content. Throughout each unit, you'll also find a rich variety of learning activities drawn from an extensive bank of teaching strategies. These strategies are presented in clear, accessible language, making them suitable for both teachers and students. To help you navigate such a comprehensive resource, Understanding Faith has included a range of tools carefully designed to make finding what you need simple and intuitive. The unit sidebar displays all parts of a unit and provides direct access to activity, slideshow, worksheet, and multimedia lists. From the sidebar, you can also access the All Units modal, search tools, and a helpful Books of the Bible overview. Links to acknowledgements, license information, feedback options, and free resources are always available, ensuring important information is easy to find whenever you need it. We hope this overview helps you to feel confident navigating the Understanding Faith resource and supports you in delivering engaging and meaningful learning experiences in your classroom.